Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Okay, y'all, it is fall, and y'all know what that means. It is cold, y'all. Okay, my dad likes to leave sometimes like a little crack in the window, and it's cold, y'all. I'm closing that window here in a minute. Y'all, it is nippy tonight. It is a cold night. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I feel like I should be drinking some hot chocolate as cold as it is. Y'all know your girl is anemic, so I stay cold. But y'all, once again, minding my business, y'all. I showed y'all me going to five. Well, I didn't show y'all me going to 5 and below, but I did a short of me finding the old fuse melts. I think that's what they used to be called back in the day. But now I think they call them like melty beads. I mean, the fuse beads back in the day. Now they call them, I think, like melty beads or whatever else, y'all. But I did do a short on that, y'all. So while I was at 5 and below, y'all, look what I saw. Okay? Your girl does not like Coke, period. And I hope that is not nasty, but it's limited edition. So that's why your girl got it. So if you have ever had it, let me know how it was, okay? Y'all, I'm going to try this. And it's going to be my first time trying it. I never heard of a Coke Lime as far as I can remember. No. I never seen a Coke Lime before. Nope. But I'm going to try, y'all. I'm nervous because I don't like Coke. So, I'm already nervous, y'all. I'm so nervous to the point, y'all, that I was trying to sit it up on something, but I think y'all can see it like this, yeah. I was so nervous, y'all, to the point that I dropped her on the floor. So, I'm going to try to give it a couple of minutes before I open it up, y'all. But your girl is nervous, and I'm also cold, and the soda is cold, and me touching the soda is making me colder. Y'all, your girl decided to wear her hair. Y'all remember old school when your mama used to do your hair, and she used to, and used to wear the little full little knots. Y'all, that's how I got my hair, and I thought it was just cute. Mind y'all, I did my hair like this because I was going to do a different style. So I parted it out just to map it out. And then I was like, this is a little cute. I think I'm going to rock this. So y'all, I ain't changed it today, okay? All right, let's see. Okay. All right, good. Because, y'all, I dropped her. I'm trying to make sure. Gotta make sure. Okay? Gotta make sure. All right, y'all. Let me smell it. And, y'all, I'm not going to be here before y'all long. I'm going to get straight into it. It definitely looks like it could be extra strong. Do y'all see all these bubbles? Wow. Look at it, y'all. Jeez. Now, if y'all have seen a regular one, y'all let me know where y'all found it at so that I can go get me one. The only one that I found was the Diet Coke Lime. All right, let me smell it. You can smell lime. It smells like real lime, too. Like if you cut a lime, that's how it smells. Y'all, also, my allergies and my sinuses has been attacking me. I really think it's sinus around this time and not allergies, y'all. I don't know. It could be a combination. But that's why my voice sounds a little nasty. It is cracking in and out. Just a quick. That's why she sound like that, okay? All right, moving on. Let's see. All right, y'all. Cheers, okay? Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, and make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, y'all, and hit that bell to be notified, okay? And leave your comments down below, all right, y'all? In 3, 2, 1. Cheers. I'm I'm trying to even think if I even like it, y'all. Like I said, it's to be expected. It's a diet soda. So it's to be expected that it has like that diet taste to it. You get what I'm saying? But I don't know if I like it or not. Okay, let me say this. Excuse me. I feel a little disappointed drinking it. Because let me see. You can smell the lime. But I'm not tasting it for some reason. Y'all, to me, it tastes like a regular Coke. But diet. Excuse me. I don't taste the lime at all. Nope. Y'all, your girl do not taste the lime. I don't know. It's not bad, though. I wouldn't get it again, though, because I don't like Coke. Yeah. It's not hitting to me. I wish that they had more lime in it. That's what I would say. It don't taste bad. Like I said, it does have that diet taste to it. But I don't taste the lime. Like, I wish I had lime here because I just want to squeeze some lime into it. But it's not bad, but it's not nothing I would buy again. But if you are a person that like Coke, and if you already used to drinking Diet Coke, you would probably enjoy this. But I don't taste the lime. But it just tastes like a Diet Coke to me. It is strong, though. That's one thing I can say. It's very strong. It's very strong. Woo! Excuse me, y'all. It's very strong. It is very strong, y'all. Real strong, y'all. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Y'all know sometimes I be rubbing my eyes and get the water in. Y'all already know that. Oh my gosh. It is very strong. Alright, y'all. It's starting to grow on me. Excuse me. After a couple of sips, I think I actually like it. But I want the lime. And I wish I had a regular Diet Coke so that I can compare it. Because to me, it don't have that lime taste that I need it to have. But I think I am going to run this back. But I'm going to get a lime. And I'm going to squeeze some lime inside of it, y'all. But it's not bad, though. It does grow up on you. It's not bad. I just wish that it had more of a lime taste, y'all. Let me tell y'all the next thing that I'm going to do, okay? I'm going to freeze these right here Cheetos, y'all. Oh, excuse me. I seen all these videos going around that people has been freezing Cheetos. I wanted the Cheeto limes. I cannot find the hot Cheeto lime for some reason. But I did find the dill pickle one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these inside the freezer and I'm going to freeze these. I think that I'm going to freeze some of them. Okay, let me say this. I'm going to freeze the whole bag. I ain't gonna say y'all what I'm gonna do, okay? Because I don't want nobody to steal my idea. So when I do it, y'all let's see what I'm gonna do, okay? And then from there, anybody can use it after that. But y'all make sure y'all give me my shout out when y'all use it. That's all I'm asking. But I'm definitely going to do the freezer Cheetos, okay? I also found some pickles out of Fab and Below too. Give me a second. Let me go get them out the refrigerator. Mind you, this was not supposed to be a what I found at Fab and Below, but now it is, okay? All right. Your girl also found these pickles, okay? I found the Pringles sour cream and onion pickle. And then I also found the blue raspberry pickle in a pouch. The warhead pickle, okay, y'all? So I'm going to try these pouch pickles, all right? And that's going to be in the next video. My son wants to try them, so I actually think after I finish this video right here, I'm going to go straight into recording this video, and then I'm going to edit this video, and then I'll bring y'all this video tomorrow. Or, excuse me, I'm going to edit this video and bring this video to y'all, and then I'll do the frozen Cheetos video tomorrow, and then I'll bring y'all this video right here on Friday. I don't know, y'all, but y'all will see when it pops up what I'm gonna do, depending on what video is easier to edit, less to edit, then that's the one that I'm gonna go with. On top of that, y'all, I'm thinking about doing the spooky movie night challenge. I seen that going around on TikTok, y'all, and on YouTube. And I think that I'm going to do that with my family, y'all, with my son and my little sister. I think I might do that this weekend. So, y'all, I got a bunch of little stuff coming up, y'all. And I also, y'all, have something special that I'm brewing up, okay, for y'all. I can't really say much, because y'all know I have listeners, okay? And I don't want nobody to hear what I'm doing, y'all. But just know that I think y'all might be getting something special before the month is up, okay? So be on the lookout for that, y'all, all right? Okay, y'all, that is it, because this video was not supposed to go into what I found in Fab Below. Also, let me show y'all what I found in Family Dollar. Y'all, I remember going to 7-Eleven in the mornings, okay, just for these. If you know, you know. And if you don't know, why don't you know? I'm telling you, I love, 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 love these, y'all. If y'all know about these 7 days croissants, comment down below and let your girl know, okay? Drop a strawberry. Do they got a strawberry emoji? I think they do. Drop a strawberry. If they don't have a strawberry emoji, drop a red heart. Matter of fact, forget the strawberry emoji. Drop a red heart if you mess with these. In the morning time for breakfast, a little bit of coffee, a little bit of tea, even like a matcha, and you get one of these, eat down, y'all. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. They sell these by the box, y'all. And if you don't know, you can find them at Family Dollar. The girl did not gatekeep. Just don't take them all from me. Thank you. Okay, y'all. Until we chat again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in tomorrow's video. And shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all for vibing with your girl. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the family. I hope that y'all are enjoying it here, because I'm enjoying y'all being here, okay? Thank you to everybody that's been inside them comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I heard, y'all, that they got something new on YouTube where it's like hype up that video, whatever else. If y'all like my video, hype it up. Why not? Let everybody else join the family. Let everybody else get a little seat at the table, okay? It is okay. It is okay for our family to grow, y'all. We'll just have a family reunion, okay? Next year, family reunion. It's a family reunion. All right, y'all. Until tomorrow, where I'll be doing this, Bye.